Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram to Facebook. Okay, you will be able to add your Facebook page on your Instagram account. Very easy, very simple, and then you will be able to sell items on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app first. So I want you to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture first. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to click on edit profile, guys. Do you see this small button on the left? You want to click on edit profile. When you're at your profile settings, I want you to click on the page. Do you see there is a small section over here? It says page, connect or create. When you click connect or create, you simply will be prompted to connect or create a brand new page. Get features to reach more people by connecting your Instagram account to a Facebook page. Remember guys, one of the requirements for you to sell items and to open a shop on Instagram is to have already a Facebook page where you have your items listed. So this is how you're gonna go about it. If you have a page, go out, link the page. If you don't have a page, you have to go first on Facebook, create your page, link your products, get verified, get everything in order, get the permission to sell items, and then go back here on Instagram, click add the steps I gave you, link your Facebook page here on Instagram, and start selling items, guys. This is how simple it is to link the Facebook page to Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.